Well, time now for a look at the weather. Here's Susan Powell. Susan.
Thank you, Rita. Some really significant heat set to build across the UK this week. Temperatures soaring not just by day, but we're also going to have some very hot and uncomfortable nights where temperatures fall no lower than the mid-20s. Here we are this afternoon, but notice how that colour intensifies across the map as we go through Tuesday. This hot spot really builds in the east on Wednesday, and for much of central and eastern England, we're talking about temperatures in the low, possibly to the mid-30s by Thursday, and one or two spots could get close to the July record, which currently stands at 36.7 degrees Celsius, set at Heathrow on the 1st of July 2015. So here we are at the moment with still some cloud to the south and west, but that will continue burning off through the afternoon, and the temperatures rising across England and Wales. Northern Ireland much warmer than yesterday as we see increasing amounts of sunshine and warmth for southern and eastern Scotland. Still rain though in the northwest, heavy and persistent rain that's just slowly clearing away northwards, so perhaps 17 or 18 the highs here, but we could get up to 30 in eastern England this afternoon. The rain finally starts to pull away from the Highlands and then the Western Isles by the end of the night. Misty and murky for parts of northern England, Wales and southern England. A very humid night as well, uncomfortable. In some spots the lows no lower than 20 or 21 degrees. So a sticky start to Tuesday, a murky one for some as well. But essentially, I think by the time we get into the afternoon, we're talking about a story of pretty much wall-to-wall sunshine, much clearer towards the northwest with that front away. Notice how the heat spreads right the way across the UK. We could see 32, perhaps 33 across parts of East Anglia Tuesday afternoon. Then things are going to start to go bump in the night as we go on into Tuesday night. A weather front comes into the mix. In the evening, I think some pretty lively weather through the rush hour, possibly for Devon and Cornwall. Then just look at how the plume mushrooms across the UK through Tuesday night. The worst of it, though, should be out of the way for Wednesday morning's rush hour, but some very lively thunderstorms, I think, Tuesday night. Wednesday, we're back into the sunny regime, and again, the heat, particularly for central and eastern areas, perhaps a little fresher towards the northwest. Thursday looks like it will be the peak of our heat. 36 degrees possible, as I said, though, possibly even hitting that 37 somewhere. At the moment, it looks like across the southeast of England. By the end of the week, though, our story starts to change. Probably a relief for some. A cold front will come in, not bringing too much in the way of rain, so I'm afraid gardeners, you're still out and about watering, but it will drop the temperatures. Saturday, though, looks like it could potentially bring the possibility of some very wet weather to the southwest, but back to average temperatures by the time we get to the weekend. But look out for a bit of a scorcher in the next few days. Rita.
Thank you, Susan.